Everyone seeing this video. In today's video, we are going to see about the parts of the flower hibiscus. Now, do you know what is the botanical name of hibiscus? It is Hibiscus rosa-sinensis. Now, the materials required for this are a compass or a pencil and a hibiscus flower. Now I'll show you the parts. Can you see a leaf-like structure in this? These parts are called the sepals of the hibiscus flower. Now see this part. When you see with the pollen grains, the top with that small yellow color structures, these structures are called as pollen grains, and this thread-like part of the flower is called the anther, and this part is called the filament. Now the female part of flower exists inside the male part. As you can see now, I have got this female part. The top is called the style, the middle part is called stigma, and this is called the ovary. And can you see inside the ovary some ball-like structures? These ball-like structures are called as ovules. These ovules then develop into a new plant. As I have now divided all the parts of the plant into pieces. This is this top is pollen grains. This is the anther. This is the filament. Here can you see these are the petals. These are the sepals, and this is the female part, pistil. Please like, share and comment. If you like Apple's videos, please subscribe. And don't forget to click the small little bell icon so you can notify whenever I upload videos. Thanks for watching.